Hey travelers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of bed bugs. Because let's face it, nobody wants to bring home more than just memories from their travels. But fear not, because we've got some clever tricks up our sleeves to help you outsmart those tiny troublemakers. First things first, when you strut into your hostel room, resist the urge to throw your bags on the bed like a champ. Instead, give your room a quick once-over while your luggage chills out in the bathroom or on a rack. Time to play detective? Peel back those sheets like you're uncovering a mystery, and inspect the mattress and box spring seams for any unwanted guests. Look out for the whole bedbug gang: adults, babies, eggs, and even their shady exoskeletons. Check every nook and cranny of the mattress and box spring for any signs of bedbugs. They're not exactly masters of disguise. Use a flashlight to make sure you don't miss any. Now don't let those bedbugs fool you into thinking they're bed exclusive. Take a peek at any upholstered furniture in your room. If you spot any suspicious activity, don't be shy. Let the hostel staff know pronto. It's like playing Spot the Difference, but with way higher stakes. Your suitcase is like Fort Knox, and those bedbugs are not getting in. Keep your bag zipped up and elevated on a luggage rack or sturdy surface throughout your stay. Think of it as giving your luggage its own VIP section. Bugs not invited. You're back from your adventures, but before you kick back and relax, there's one more mission. Operation Bedbug Bust. Toss those travel clothes into a hot dryer for a spin. 30 minutes should do the trick. And there you have it, folks. With these savvy strategies, you'll be the ultimate bedbug ninja, dodging those critters like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Until next time, stay smart, stay safe, and keep those bedbugs at bay. Happy travels, adventurers!